The Barbados Canada Foundation has joined the Queen Elizabeth Hospital for Bring On the Spring 2023. The mission? To help hundreds of Barbadians in their fight for sight. Most people fear losing their vision, and as Dr. Don Grosvenor explains, the QEH is the sole institution providing treatment for cataract and glaucoma.
The ophthalmology department is the island's only tertiary eye care facility. We concentrate all the specialty eye care in Barbados here at the Hospital Eye Clinic. It's the busiest outpatient department. We see over 20,000 patients a year.
So what is it like to fight for your sight? Meet Angeline and Juliet.
How I could have looked down there and seeing things now clear. I couldn't see it before. Honestly speaking, it used to put me in an upward position, whereas that I wasn't seeing that much. I had a son who used to got seizures. That hurt the worst. When he got seizure and he fall, I couldn't see to pick him up. I could hear the fall, but could see him.
The government of Barbados has invested heavily in the QEH to help patients like Angeline and Juliet. But with thousands of people seeking urgent treatment, it is clear the government cannot do it alone.
We cannot do it without sustainable partnerships, such as the partnership we have with Barbados Canada Foundation. Because a department like ophthalmology, the demand is so great, everything comes at us. So as a result, we recognize the wear and tear on our equipment and our facilities, particularly for ophthalmology. Our largest clinic is great.
As much help as possible is needed to support the public system because eye care is really driven by technology. Yes, we as the doctors and the nurses and the technicians, we have a role to play in bringing our expertise, but we're all using tools. And as we know, technology is upgrading all the time, and we have to stay abreast of that in order to deliver that to the over 20,000 people we see every year.
So why we are prepared to prioritize in our acts nationally and internationally is we recognize that this is one area that giving directly impacts individual lives.
And with your donations, the QEH can get the necessary equipment to help more cataract and glaucoma patients recover their sight, like Angeline and Juliet.
Oh, it's great. For the first intersection, I got the surgery. I could see open the eye. Not actually the same day, but the next day, as soon as the patch came off, I can see bright.
I can see, I can read, as the old people say, I can drum high, I see everything. Nobody take me to town, nobody try my needles, and I'm good to go.
As we bring on the spring, we ask you to join this mission with the Barbados Canada Foundation. The target, $60,000 for specialized ophthalmology equipment for the hospital.
We on the board feel very committed to supporting and helping the Barbadian community in Canada and in Barbados. Because Barbadians go home, they have families there in Barbados as well. And also we have people who travel down to Barbados. And we thought that the QEH is a good part for our healthcare initiatives.
Support the Barbados Canada Foundation as we bring on the spring at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital to help hundreds of Barbadians in their fight for sight.
I'm Juliet Ford and I'm cataract free. Yep, I am.
I am Angeline Trimott, and I am cataract free. Thank you, Lord Jesus,